Metra Electronics has been in business for more than 70 years. As new companies come and go, our manufacturing and operation team remains in the USA. Our local operations are capable of manufacturing a wide range of car audio products, including interfaces, dash kits, speaker adapters, antenna adapters, wiring harnesses, and more. It starts with research and new product development, executed by our US engineering team and manufactured on-site in our factory. Our state-of-the-art CAD technology allows our engineering department to work hand-in-hand with our molding and die machine shop for a faster, more efficient manufacturing process and timeline. In the tool room, we produce molds and dies in record timing due to our expertise and on-site equipment. This allows us to design and produce new product quickly, keeping pace with the latest vehicle models. Computer-controlled machinery in the tool room takes our CAD drawing and makes precise 3D cuts. This efficient process also provides reliable and consistent products, from one piece to the next. The result? A perfect fit every time. Eliminating the need for installers to cut and splice, most of our wiring harnesses and adapters are produced on-site using our powerful wire stripping and terminating process. Metra's injection molding department utilizes machines with closed-loop process controls. With real-time control of the injection process from start to finish, this significantly reduces production time and overall cost of manufacturing our affordable plastic kits and accessories. Our dash kits are also painted to match the factory look and finish in our on-site painting department. At every step, assembly and quality control assurance is done manually by our team of technicians to ensure that all product meet our rigorous standards before leaving the factory. Our warehouse team then stores and ships our inventory to make sure that you can get our products as quickly as possible from our 6 different locations throughout the United States. It doesn't end there. Our local front house operation team handles everything from accounting, marketing, and administration to IT and technical support of our product. The Metra sales team helps our customers from the East Coast to the West learn about new product and place orders. Our international sales team helps dealers and distributors around the world export our product to their countries. An outside sales team visits our US customers directly to their shops or distribution centers to help with merchandising, training, events, and retail promotion. Metra manages our entire operation and manufactures as much as our product as we can right here in the USA. Keeping our operations local is more than just a goal. It's our mission. This choice is important because we employ hundreds of hard-working people. And now more than ever, keeping our operations in the US is a choice with a big impact. We know that our customers have a choice in where they purchase their products. For more than 70 years, installers have chosen Metra, and for that, we thank you.